Hey everyone, this is Nico Carver from nebulaphotos.com, and I've hit 30,000 subscribers here on YouTube, and I've been thinking about what I can do as a special thank you video for all my subscribers, and I thought you might get a kick out of me critiquing your astrophotography. And to be clear, the point of our critique isn't to bash anyone. It's really just if you'd like an honest evaluation of where you might improve your astrophotography. And this could be either in your capture technique, like I might notice you're a little bit out of focus, or on the processing side, things that you can do like boost saturation or a different crop, that kind of thing. Even the artistic side of astrophotography, like the framing and choices you make there. And I think I can help in any of these areas. So if you're truly up for having me share your astrophoto in a video like this one and critique it on YouTube, then here's how to participate. You're going to email nebulaphotos30k, the number 30k, at gmail.com. And I want you to include a few things in the email. First, your first name or a pseudonym, just whatever you want me to call you in the video. Secondly, the gear that you use to shoot the picture, so the camera, the lens, the telescope, whatever it is. As many details as you can about how you shot the picture and how you processed it. And then any problems or issues you had with setting things up or processing that you think maybe I should address in the critique. If you think the issue is with calibration, like your dark frames or flat frames, then please also include some sample calibration files for me to look at. And of course, you need to attach your processed photo in full resolution. And then lastly, and optionally, if you can, share your calibrated stacked linear TIFF file. So this would be the autosave.tif if you're using Deep Sky Stacker. And it's going to be too big to attach to the email. It'll probably be over 100 megabytes. But what you can do is you can just use a free service like Google Drive or Dropbox, and then just give me the link to download it. WeTransfer is another one. And this is optional step. But if you really want me to dive into your picture and really understand what you could get out of it, then I really encourage you to include this, the linear TIFF file as well. I know that was a lot of information. I'm going to put a template for writing the email in the description of this video. So what you can do is you can just select the whole video description and copy and paste it into an email and fill in all the details and then send it in to me. The deadline to participate and send in photos is September 30th, so the end of this month, 2020. And I think this is going to be a lot of fun. I just want to say 3 quick disclaimers, though, just so I don't get in trouble. One, I have no idea how many pictures I'm going to receive, so I might not be able to look at every email. So I'm sorry ahead of time if you don't get picked. I'm just going to choose randomly from everything I get. The second disclaimer is, if you think a photo critique may discourage you in any way or hurt your feelings, then please don't participate, because that's really not my intention, is to scare anyone off of the hobby. This is just something I want to do for people who feel their astrophotos can be better, but they're just not sure how to get there, and they just want this sort of frank advice, and also that they don't mind sharing the whole process here on YouTube. So just make sure that you're thinking in your head, my picture might get picked and then it's going to be in a video. So just keep that in mind. Third disclaimer, I'm not going to use any last names or any other personal identifying information. Okay, so as long as I get a few photo submissions before September 30th, 2020, I will make this video and hope to release it sometime before the end of October. And I will release it premiere style here on YouTube, meaning that it has like a live countdown and then there's a live chat on the first play of the video. We've done that once in the past now, and it was a lot of fun, so I think we'll do that again. Till next time, this is Nico Carver, nebulaphotos.com. Clear skies.